So as you can see here, this is the brand new Honor MagicPad 3 just announced by Honor Malaysia, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you why this tablet can actually replace your laptop. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let me quickly tell you, okay, why this tablet can actually replace your laptop. So first of all, let's talk accessories. Now, when it comes to having a laptop, that also means we need to be typing and doing work on the go. Hence, they have this very new keyboard. And this one is called the Honor MagicPad 3 Smart Keyboard. And the stand is actually adjustable between 110 to 160 degrees. So you can freely adjust to your angle. There's also a 6-row keyboard layout, so you can precisely replicate all the buttons and also the shortcuts you need, just like a PC. So for example, I want to increase volume, decrease volume, I can also press from here. And also it's 2025. No one wants to hear the Bluetooth connected sound anymore. Hence, at the back there is this pogo pins for us to automatically connect and also pair the keyboard and also the tablet instantly. So apart from the keyboard that gives us very nice keyboard and also trackpad, we also have this Honor Magic Pencil 3. So this Pencil 3 has actually been redesigned so that it has a stable nib with optimized paper-like friction and reduced tapping noise for natural writing and drawing. There's also 4096 pressure levels so that your flow of your sketch is super smooth and also very dynamic. There's also magnetic charging, so you can put it on top of your tablet and it mounts stably, okay, and it pairs and charge at the same time. And to get a full charge, when you put it on the top here, it only takes 45 minutes. Now, for those who are always doing presentations during meetings or meeting clients or in the office, right, you can actually use this tablet to project whatever you have on the screen onto external monitor or displays so that you can show the big screen to your clients, to your bosses, so they don't have to look at this tablet at all. Now, if I ask you, okay, what makes a laptop a laptop? Well, a laptop can actually allow us to do all our office work, including word processing, Excel sheet processing, creating slides, and stuff like that. So on the Honor MagicPad 3, we can actually do that with Honor Docs. So this Honor Docs support cloud sync, and that also means if you have your documents on another Honor device, for example your phone or your laptop, you can actually access all your files on the MagicPad 3. And before you ask me, hey, this one free need to pay No need, it is free, okay? So Honor Docs will appear automatically the moment you activate your brand new Honor MagicPad 3, and it is free to use. So for example, if you want to create your Word document, Excel, whatever, just open and then just create new document. See, very easy. Now, other than Honor Docs, there's also Honor Notes. Okay, let me show you. Ding, Honor Notes. So with this Honor Notes, it is fully AI powered, whereby you get your productivity tools, which is good for meetings, interviews, lectures, and also conversations. There are a few AI features that I can show you here, okay? So the first one is AI Summary. It basically analyzes your long text and generates concise summary of key points so that you don't have to read long essays just to know what they're talking about. The second one, AI Minutes. Basically, you already know what is this lah. It will use AI to create minutes of meetings for you. Third one, AI Format. So this one, they will analyze your document and then suggest formatting so that your document will look nice and tidy. There's also AI Speech to Text, AI Ink Restoration, and also most importantly, AI Writing Tools. Now, as you can see here, right, one feature that I really like on Honor Notes is that I can select any text I want and customize it, changing the font, moving it left and right, even changing the color. So interesting. So if you're an iPhone user or a Mac user and then you want to know whether the Honor tablet is suitable for your day-to-day or not, I would say can. You know why? Because Honor now has this Honor Connect feature that you can transfer files from your MagicPad 3 to your iPhone or your iPhone to your MagicPad 3. So this is how it's done. You see how easy it is for me to actually transfer photos left and right. You not just photos, documents also can. So if you have a lot of Honor devices, even better, because the Honor MagicPad 3 supports Honor Magic Ring. So with this Honor Magic Ring, all devices are actually logged into the same Honor ID and can be controlled with Honor Magic Ring. Once you've done that, you can seamlessly connect your smartphone, your tablet or your laptops to achieve file transfer, network sharing, to deliver a smoother user experience. Now when it comes to tablet, usually it comes in smaller sizes because of portability, right? But some people also prefer bigger screen. Hence, the Honor MagicPad 3 comes with 13.3-inch LCD screen with up to 165Hz refresh rate, and that also means you get to enjoy shows like this on a big screen everywhere you go, and if you're playing game, you get very high refresh rate, hence your gaming experience is also a lot better. And if you don't know yet, okay, Honor actually takes care of the eye a lot. Hence, they actually have a lot of eye comfort features. For example, dynamic dimming, circadian night display, natural tone display, AI defocus display, motion sickness relief, and many more. And to support this gigantic screen, you need amazing audio, right? Hence, this tablet actually has 8 speaker system, as you can see here on the left and right, and you can actually hear the sound coming from front, back, top, bottom, even inside of you also can hear.
And we will find another way.
This tablet comes with 66-watt wired charging, okay, and that also means you can charge it very quickly. But the battery can also last very long because it has more than 12,000 mAh battery, as you can see here, okay, 12450. And on a single charge, you can probably use this tablet for a whole day of meeting, discussion, and also doing your work. Now lastly, this Honor MagicPad 3 is powered by a very powerful chip, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform that gives 25% increase in GPU and 30% increase in CPU capability. So if you're thinking to get the Honor MagicPad 3, the price is $2,999, and if you get it now or pre-order, you can actually get free gifts, okay? I've already put the free gift on the screen here so you can see what you will get when you buy this thing. Okay, so that is all. Hopefully you know what to buy if you want to buy a brand new tablet, okay? So if you love this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.